Hello everyone and welcome back to Breaking News 24, with your host Sane. Today, the Ragin' Cajun Redneck Country Fair is back in business, doing things like alligator eating contests, pig racing, musical performances, and showing off motorbikes. Go on down to the annual Ragin' Cajun Redneck Country Fair today. Hey, bring the kids, this is a family-friendly event. All day today they are doing everything. Now let's take a look at the Ragin' Cajun Redneck Country Fair with Jan. How are you doing over there, Jan?
Hi there's A. I am currently at the Ragin' Cajun Redneck Country Fair today, and I can definitely hear the music. It sounds like I'm in New Orleans right now. I am right by some people who say they have gumbo. Yum, that gumbo looks good. People of all ages are at the fair right now. They are all having a blast. Ooh, it sounds like the motorcycles. Wait a second, those aren't the motorcycles. Oh my god. It's a bunch of giant robots, and they're grabbing people and putting them in cages. Help, 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 help. Oh, one of them is grabbing me.
We interrupt our programming to bring you this civil emergency message. This message is being broadcast at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department at approximately 10 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. A group of monstrous-looking figures appeared at the California Redneck Cajun Country Fair in Los Angeles and have breached the area. These figures appear to be a ghostly figure with red glowing eyes wearing a black hood and a dragon with the shell of a turtle with spikes on it. Along with these things, they also summon giant robots and are taking the princesses, young women and children hostage. And these people are believed to be in extreme danger. And now a message from Officer Harris.
This is Officer Harris. Yes. Are you out there, Sammy and the others? Sammy and his friends. It appears that two bad guys came with their robots and their monster machines at the Redneck Cajun Country Fair today, and they are kidnapping women and children, and they're putting them on their robots, and the monsters are attacking men. I need you to come over here right away. You need to come stop these monsters and bad guys and robots. Yep, we need you over here right away. We can't do this without your help. Our officers need your help. You think you can do it, Sammy and his friends? I know you can.
Why hello there, Sammy and his friends. And others. It was quite easy hacking into your human devices. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Bruzel Monstro. And I was the one mind controlling you and your friends a while ago. Yes, and now I've kidnapped the princesses and some other young humans. And my robots are going to stop you, anyways. You and your friends can't stop my robots or my monsters. I will rule this Earth of yours, with humans as tasty, tasty treats.
This concludes operations of the emergency alert system. All broadcast stations and cable systems may now resume regular programming.
This news report was brought to you by Mountain Dew. Do the do.